Hi guys, good morning. This is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to learn about parallel lines. So when a line cuts a pair of parallel lines, all the acute angles are equal and all the obtuse angles are also equal. So as you can see here, so in these examples, so angle B here on top and angle B here, okay, are also equal. So let's make it bigger. Okay, so in here, so as you can see here, this angle and then this angle are equal. So these two angles are equal. So reason because they are opposite angles. Okay, and angle A here and also angle A here are both equal. So it's called vertically opposite. All right, so vertically opposite angle. Okay, so the same here. So this angle, and then this angle, so these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite. Okay, so also the same here and here. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. All right, now another one. So as you can see here, angle B here and angle B here are also equal. So they are called corresponding angle. Okay, so angle B here and angle B here are equal because they are corresponding angles. Okay, so the same here. So as you can see here, so angle A and angle A here are also equal. So again, the reason is they are corresponding angles. So of course, in the other side, they are also the same. So angle B here and angle B here are also equal. Okay, and angle A here and angle A here are also equal because they are corresponding angles. Another one. So as you can see, the angle B here and angle B here are equal. All right, it's because they are alternating angles. Okay, another one, I'll give you another one. So angle A here, I thought I changed the color. So angle A here and angle A here are also equal. So the reason, it's alternating angles. All right, so from that idea, we can answer the exercises or the examples. So let's go directly to exercise number 6. So if this angle, so if this is angle A, let's change the color. So if this is angle A and this angle is 72 degrees, yeah, so what is the value of angle A? So angle A therefore is also 72 degrees because the reason, as I explained earlier, they are alternating angles. For the next example, so angle B here and this angle is 82 degrees. So what is the value of angle B? So if you apply, actually there are so many ways on how to solve this problem, but the other way is like when you subtract 180 degrees, so 180 degrees minus 82, and that is equal to 98 degrees. So that means this angle is 98 degrees. Remember, from the straight line. Okay, so since this one is 98 degrees, so therefore angle B is also 98 degrees. Yeah, because angle B is alternate to this angle. A reasoning under alternating angles. But we all know that when you add angle B and 82 degrees, that's equal to 180 degrees. That is the sum of internal angles under transversal line. So when you add that one, that's equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, all you have to do is 180 degrees minus the 80 degrees, and you get the value of angle B. Or as simply as in a straight line, we all know that it has 180 degrees. So all you have to do is 180 minus 82, and that is 98 degrees. And alternating angles to 98 degrees is the angle B. So therefore, the value of angle B is 98 degrees. So for number 3, so you are looking for angle T. And we all know that under the corresponding angle of 100 degrees is this angle. So therefore, this angle is also 100 degrees. And we all know that in a straight line is 180 degrees. So all you have to do is 180 minus 100 degrees. That is equal to 80 degrees. So therefore, angle T is 80 degrees. So under number 5, so as you can see, they are alternating angles. So therefore, angle Y is also an 86 degrees. So reason why is alternating angles. Quite easy for number 5. Almost the same with number 3. Yeah. So I'll get the value of this angle first, because this angle is corresponding to this angle X. So this one is 180 minus 92 degrees. That is equal to, okay, so 88 degrees. So this angle is 88 degrees. So therefore, angle X is also 88 degrees. For number 8, so we are looking for angle B and angle A. So as you can see, you have a quadrilaterals here. So therefore, the sum of these internal angles is equal to 360 degrees. And as you can see, this line, these two lines is parallel. If you take a look at this line, okay, this is the transversal line for this parallel line. So if this is 93 degrees, this is also a 93 degrees. And 100 here, 180 for a straight line, here, 180 minus 93, and that is equal to 87 degrees. Yeah. So therefore, angle A is 87 degrees. All right. And as you can see here, for this line, so this parallel line, this line is a transversal in this side. So if angle B, if this angle is 74 degrees, therefore this angle is also 74 degrees. Yeah. So what's the reason? So there are corresponding angles. So therefore, if this is 74 degrees, so angle B is also 74 degrees. And the reason is they are vertically opposite angle. All right. Okay, let's move to the next problem. So this line and this line are parallel. Okay, so you are looking for angle A and angle C. So remember, this is parallel line, and then this line is a transversal line. So if this line and this angle is 115 degrees, therefore this angle is equal to 180 minus 115 degrees, and that is equal to 65 degrees. So therefore, this angle is 65 degrees. And if this angle is 65 degrees, therefore, angle A is also 65 degrees. It's because they are corresponding angle. Now, so how we can find the angle C? So remember, as I've told you, that if you have the parallel line and then you have the transversal line, if this angle is 77 degrees, therefore, this angle is also 77 degrees, right? And the reason why is because they are corresponding angle. So to get the angle C, all you have to do is 180 degrees minus 77 degrees. And that is equal to 103 degrees. Therefore, angle C is 103 degrees. I think that's all for today. So if you want to know more or to learn more about maths, especially geometry, algebra, or trigonometry, or statistics, please do comment, and please consider subscribing, because I know you will learn a lot in this channel. And don't forget to share, likes, our video. Okay, it will help us a lot to grow. All right. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Bye.